When the moon's hit by asteroids and comets, comets have water. If water lands in those places, they're called cold traps, and the water never goes away.
In 2023, something extraordinary happened on the moon, and it sent renowned astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson into a cosmic frenzy. India, with its Chandrayaan-3 mission, ventured into the uncharted territory of the moon's south pole, a place shrouded in mystery. Why did they choose this uncharted region, and what did they discover there? How did they manage to pull off this remarkable feat, and why is it causing such a stir in the world of space exploration? 2023, a year in which India etched its name in the annals of space exploration history. Picture a mission like no other. Chandrayaan-3, not just a remarkable feat for India, but a game changer for the entire world. Why, you ask? Because it had its sights set on the moon's south pole, a place wrapped in mystery, holding the promise of profound scientific discoveries. Now let's dive into the heart of Chandrayaan-3. This mission was a masterpiece of design and ambition, consisting of 3 crucial elements, each with a unique role but interconnected in their mission. First, there's the orbiter, acting as the ever-watchful eye in the sky. It was armed with a dazzling array of 8 cutting-edge scientific instruments. What was its mission? It was to meticulously observe and analyze the moon's surface and its atmosphere. Picture it, circling gracefully, just about 100 kilometers above the lunar terrain, gathering in valuable data. Next up, meet the lander, affectionately named Vikram, paying tribute to Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the visionary founder of India's space agency, ISRO. But Vikram was more than just a symbol. It was a workhorse packed with 4 essential instruments. Its job is to venture down to the moon's surface. In this grand tale of lunar exploration, Chandrayaan-3's trio of components worked in harmony, each with its vital mission. The lunar adventure began on July 14, 2023 at India's Satish Dhawan Space Center. Chandrayaan-3, carried by the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV, started a unique journey. Instead of a direct trip to the moon, it gracefully circled Earth for over a week, gaining momentum. Then on July 21, 2023, it executed a trans-lunar injection maneuver to be captured by the moon's gravity, entering an elliptical orbit. The ISRO team's work continued with precise maneuvers to position Chandrayaan-3 in a circular orbit around 100 kilometers above the lunar surface by August 19, 2023. This set the stage for Vikram's descent and Pragyan's lunar exploration, marking a significant step in this captivating lunar journey, culminating in the orbiter's embrace of the moon on August 23, 2023. Lander Vikram faced a daunting task as it prepared for its descent toward the lunar south pole, separating from its parent orbiter. Slowing down from a speedy 1.68 kilometers per second using its thrusters was just the beginning. Vikram had to navigate precise path adjustments, avoiding lunar obstacles to ensure a safe landing, a heart-pounding endeavor akin to a pilot's last-minute adjustments during landing. Vikram's successful landing between lunar craters Simpelia Sen and Manzina C was impressive, considering the extreme temperatures in this region, dropping to minus 240 degrees Celsius with sporadic sunlight. After landing, Vikram swiftly deployed its solar panels, extended its antennas, and established communication with the orbiter and eager researchers on Earth. The lunar adventure continued as the rover Pragyan, resembling an intrepid explorer on an untouched island, received the green light to exit Vikram's ramp after lunar dust settled. Pragyan had a tight schedule, just a single lunar day, or roughly 2 weeks, to travel up to half a kilometer from its parent lander. What set Pragyan apart was its remarkable autonomy, equipped with onboard cameras and sensors, allowing it to navigate the moon's rocky and unpredictable terrain while avoiding obstacles and tricky spots. What's even more astonishing is that this mission by India was not just groundbreaking in terms of lunar exploration, but also financially savvy. With a budget of only $74 million, Chandrayaan-3 showcased India's ability to blend cost-effectiveness with advanced space innovation. Let's dive into the numbers. The mission's overall cost was around $74 million, with about 215 crores allocated for the lander, rover, and propulsion module, while launch services occurred an expenditure of approximately 365 crores. When you compare Chandrayaan-3's budget with other international lunar missions, its cost-effectiveness shines brightly. So, what's the secret behind Chandrayaan-3's budget-friendly success? A significant part of the answer lies in its compact design. With a combined weight of just 1.4 tons, Chandrayaan-3 was considerably lighter than many of its international counterparts, making it a shining example of efficiency in lunar exploration. Now here's where Chandrayaan-3's brilliance shines through. While NASA's Viper rover weighed a hefty 1 ton on its own, Chandrayaan-3 was designed to be strategically lightweight, resulting in significant cost reductions in terms of launch and fuel expenses. But it wasn't just about shedding weight. Chandrayaan-3's financial efficiency also stemmed from its savvy use of existing technology. India utilized its robust GSLV Mk3 rocket, a reliable choice with a successful history in previous missions. Rather than starting from scratch, the lander and rover were adapted and enhanced from the designs used in Chandrayaan-2. Now let's talk about the remarkable journey of Chandrayaan-3. It was India's third attempt to unravel the moon's mysteries, and it was no walk in the park. Challenges loomed from liftoff to landing. Launching the spacecraft and guiding it to the right lunar orbit, a task as complex as it was crucial. On the momentous day of August 15, 2023, the skies above the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota roared with the mighty power of the GSLV Mk3 rocket. It propelled Chandrayaan-3 into space, marking the beginning of an epic journey. But reaching the moon wasn't just about speed, it was about precision. The spacecraft had to perform a series of intricate maneuvers, using its thrusters and harnessing the gravitational forces of both Earth and the Moon. This precise positioning was the key to ensuring the perfect trajectory for the subsequent stages, setting the stage for a successful landing. The mission's aim was to boldly venture where no mission had gone before, the lunar South Pole. Scientists eagerly sought to explore this region, believing it concealed water ice and precious resources within its cratered terrain. However, this ambitious goal came with formidable challenges: rocky landscapes, extreme temperature swings, and potential communication obstacles. As August 23, 2023 dawned, the world held its breath during the nerve-wracking 17 minutes of terror, as described by ISRO Chief Salmanath. The lander Vikram faced the Herculean task of slowing down from a rapid 1.6 kilometers per second to a virtual standstill before touching the moon's surface. Without real-time communication or human intervention, Vikram relied solely on its onboard systems to navigate the moon's uneven terrain and achieve a triumphant landing. Following Vikram's success, the rover named Pragyan embarked on its own set of challenges, navigating the moon's dusty and rugged terrain, avoiding obstacles, and maintaining a constant line of communication. The mission was on a tight schedule with only 14 Earth days, equivalent to 1 lunar day, to conduct its operations. During this time, the lander and rover raced against the clock to perform experiments, study lunar soil, and record temperature variations while managing extreme lunar temperatures, unpredictable communication, and power constraints. In the face of these hurdles, the spirit of exploration prevailed, as it did during India's earlier lunar expeditions in 2019. Neil deGrasse Tyson expressed his excitement and optimism for Chandrayaan-3, recognizing it as a significant achievement that would place India in an exclusive club of moon landing nations, alongside the USA, Russia, and China. However, he also acknowledged the challenges of space exploration, referencing India's previous setback with Chandrayaan-2, with lost communication and crashed during descent. Fast forward to 2023. India launched Chandrayaan-3 with renewed determination and successfully landed near the moon's enigmatic South Pole. Tyson praised India's resilience and underscored the mission's global significance. He explained the moon's South Pole's unique allure, emphasizing its potential for water ice, essential for life, and rocket fuel, as well as its promise for solar energy and insights into the moon's history. Chandrayaan-3's primary mission was to study water and essential substances near the moon's south pole, where permanently shadowed craters might hide water ice, a valuable resource for future lunar exploration and human settlements. In the sunlit regions of the moon's south pole, Chandrayaan-3 aimed to establish an energy and communication hub for lunar missions. Vikram, the lander, carried a lunar surface thermometer, or LST, to record temperature variations, crucial for identifying areas with potential water ice due to extremely low temperatures. Vikram also had a laser retroreflector array, or LRA, for precise distance measurements on the moon. Pragyan, the rover, was equipped with advanced tools, including a laser-induced breakdown spectroscope, or LIBS, to analyze lunar soil composition, and an alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, or APXS, to identify elements in the soil. Pragyan also had a stereo camera, or SCAM, to capture detailed images of the moon's surface. The mission's camera was a star, capturing high-res images for navigation and 3D mapping of the moon's surface. Pragyan, the rover, found sulfur, an unusual discovery, sparking talks about potential water ice. It also searched for hydrogen, a sign of water. Vikram, the lander, shared fascinating temperature data ranging from -156 to 121 degrees Celsius, vital for understanding water ice survival. In a nutshell, the mission made remarkable findings. Vikram on the lunar surface had a crucial mission to explore the moon's mysteries by tracking temperatures, sensing seismic activity, measuring plasma density, and analyzing the moon's magnetic field. Meanwhile, the propulsion module in orbit provided unique perspectives of both the moon and Earth. It studied Earth's atmosphere to understand scattering properties, shedding light on atmospheric phenomena and climate. In a stunning discovery, it spotted a potential lava tube near the Schrödinger crater, which could serve as a protective habitat for future lunar exploration. Do you think India has come a long way? What are your views on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. And for more amazing videos, please do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.